So today our lab number 12 is about BGP. What is BGP? BGP is the Border Gateway Protocol, external routing protocol. It is used for internet connectivity between different organizations, used by ISP, multi-homing organization, the organization where two different ISP are providing internet services. They are known as multi-homing organization. So the multi-homing organization will use the BGP. Disconnectivity of one link never affect their office work. Therefore, they are using two different connections for different ISP and internet routing protocol. Internal routing. This is internal. The internal routing protocol are internal routing. RIP and OSPF are internal routing protocol. Okay, and this one is the external routing protocol. BGP is the external routing protocol, while RIP and OSPF is the internal routing protocol. RIP work on link state and OSPF work on distance vector, but BGP is a path routing protocol. It depends on path, network policy and rule. It is tunable according to the organization policy. TCP port, it used TCP port number 179. Okay, so now we have to start our lab of BGP lab 12. So we have to use it, lab 12, and name is BGP. So we have to now start it. We are using router. We are using 3 router, 1, 2, 3, and we are using 3 PCs, 1, 2 and 3. So we are connecting router with the serial cable. So insert it into serial port 2/0 and it is in router 13 using serial 2/0. So we have to label it 2/0 and we have to label it 2/0. So we have to connect these two router with the inserting it into serial 3/0 and it into 3/0, 3/0 and okay, we are using 3/0. So we are connecting this PC with the router by using port number 0/0 and here 0/0 and connected with the PC, and using port number 0/0 it is connected to the PC pass Ethernet 0. (0/0) fast Ethernet 0/0 0/0. Now we have to assign IP address to all these router and PCs 1.0.0.1, and we have to assign the IP address 1.0.0.2, and we have to assign it here 2.0.0.1. we have to assign the IP address here 2.0.0.2, and we have to assign the IP address here, it is 192.168.50.1. assign IP address here 192.168.100.1 and IP address here 192.168.150.1 Okay, now we have to click on this router. We have to click on this router, which is not configurable right now, so it will use a command no. Enter, enable, config terminal. We have to use interface. This was the interface. Which one interface we are going to use? Fast Ethernet 0/0 0/0, and we have to assign an IP address to it. So IP address is 192.168.50.1, and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. Use a command no shutdown. Okay, no shutdown. Okay, incomplete command. Okay, sorry, and no shutdown. Okay, let's link up. Now we have to assign IP address to the port number serial 2/0. Exit from here, we have to click on it. Exit from here, we have to use interface, serial, sorry, this is serial, 2/0, and we have to assign IP address to this link, which is IP address 1.0.0.1, and subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Okay, now we have to use a clock rate. This one is the clock rate, 64,000. Okay, and now we have to use a command no shutdown to link up. Okay, now we have to move toward this router, and you have to click on it. Unconfigurable now, so we have to enter command enable. We have to configure terminal to move toward the configuration mode, and now we have to assign IP address. First on this one link, serial link, interface serial 2/0, and use and assign IP address, which is 2.0.0.2, and subnet mask 255.0.0.0. and now we have to use a command no shutdown. It will link up. So now we have to assign IP address to this one link. It is interface of fast Ethernet. This is the 0/0, so we have to assign IP address to it. Okay, so what is we label this IP address 192.168.100.1. so IP address we are assigning here 192.168.100.1, and subnet mask 255.255.255.0. and now we have to for link up, we are using a command no shutdown. Okay, sorry, no shutdown. Okay, it will link up. Okay, if I exit from here, now we have to assign an IP address to this one link, which is serial 3/0. We are using a command interface serial 3/0. Now we have to assign an IP address. Which one IP address we are going to use? 2.0.0.1, 2.0.0.1, and subnet mask 255.0.0.0. Okay, now we have to assign a clock rate. Okay, this is the clock rate, and the clock rate is 64,000, and we have to use a command no shutdown to link up. Okay, it will link down still because this one link is down. We have to move toward this router to link up between these two routers. We are going to use the command no. Okay, now we are using a command enable config terminal. Okay, we are using a interface serial 3/0, and now we have to assign IP address to 2.0.0.2, subnet mask 255.0.0.0, and use a command no shutdown to link up between these two routers. Okay, it will link up. This will be green. Okay, now we have to exit from here. Interface fast 0/0. Now we have to assign IP address to this link. 192.168.150.1.255.255.0. Now we have to link up, no shutdown. Okay, it will link up. Now we have to assign, we have to implement BJP on all these routers. Okay, exit from here, we have to use a router BJP. We have to use which autonomous system we are going to use here. We are using AS100, and for this link we are using AS200, and for this we are going to use AS300. So we have to click on it, router BJP 100. Now we have to assign a neighbor for this router. The neighbor for this router is 1.0.0.2. We have to use a command neighbor. Which one is the neighbor? 1.0.0.2. Okay, this is the neighbor. We have to use a remote autonomous system. Which is the autonomous system which this router use? It is 200. Okay, now we have to assign network which are connecting to this router. So the network connecting to this router are 1.0.0.0, and the another network which are connecting to this router is 192.168.50.0. Okay, now we have to move from this router to another router. This one is the next router, and we have to assign exit from the previous mode, and we have to use the router BJP the autonomous number 200, and now we have to use neighbor. Which one is the neighbor for this router? This one, 2.0.0.2. okay, we are using neighbor 2.0.0.2, and the remote autonomous number 300. Okay, now we have to assign network to this router. One network is 1.0.0.0, another network is 2.0.0.0, and the third network is 192.168.100.0, 192.168.100.0. Now we have to move toward this router. So we have to exit from previous mode, and we have to assign BGP, router BGP. This is router autonomous number 300, and now we are going to implement neighbor. Neighbor is 2.0.0.1, and remote access number 200. Now we have to use a network which is connecting to this router. This is the network, another network 192.168.150.0. okay, now we complete it, but we have to assign IP address to these PCs. So we have to assign IP address. So 192.168.50.2, and the gateway is 1.0.0.1. this one the gateway. Okay, so we have to click on this PC, and we have to assign an IP address to this PC, which is 192.168.100.2. we have to assign a default gateway, which is 2.0.0.1 and click on this PC. On desktop, IP configuration, we have to assign 192.168.150.2, and this one is the default gateway 2.0.0.2. Okay, now we have completed our configuration. Now we have to find is it packet will be transferable or not. It's successful. It is successful. Now it is successful. Now it is successful. Now it is successful. No, communication between PCs is not successful right now. Okay, we have to click on it, this router again, and we have to find the do show IP route, do show IP route for IP addresses are connecting. So okay, we have to connect on, we have to click on this PC, this router, and we have to assign one more neighbor to this one side. Okay, because we have assigned one neighbor 2.0.0.2, but we have not assigned 1.0.0.1. okay, we have to assign it. So we have to assign another neighbor. This is 1.0.0.1 and the remote access is 100. Now I hope it will work. Okay, exit from here and use a command do show IP route. Now there are 6 IP addresses in their routing table. Now how many routing table IP addresses are there in this routing table? So do show IP route, it is also 5. Okay, and now we have to use this router, do show IP route. Okay, it is now 5 routing table. Now we have to again connect, we have to again transfer packet from here to here. Yes, successful. Okay, and from here to here it is successful. Okay, and from here to here it is successful. Okay, from this PC to this router it is successful. Okay, it is successful from every side because the IP addresses in this routing table, one is this one, we are briefly describe it. Okay, this is the C is used for directly connecting IP addresses. So 1.0.0 network is directly connected to this router. Okay, this one is directly connected, and now we have to another directly connected is this one is the another directly connected. This one is the directly connected IP address, which is 192.168.50.0, and this one is connected by BGP. This is 2.0.0. It is connected by BGP. Why? 1.0.0.2. It will connect this network to this router. Okay, by using a BGP protocol, border gateway protocol. Okay, now this one BGP, this 192.168.100.0, This network is connecting to this router by using a BGP of IP address 1.0.0.2. Okay, now this one is the BGP, another BGP. Okay, okay, this one is the another BGP. This BGP, this router, this router is connecting to this IP address by using this one address. This is the BGP neighbor 1.0.0.2. okay. Now we have to move toward this router. Here the directly connecting IP addresses are 1.0.0.0 and the another is 2.0.0. This is the 2.0.0 network directly connected, and 192.168.100.0 is directly connected. Okay. Now BGP, we have to use BGP for connection of 50.0 with this router, or which one neighbor address will connect this IP address with this router. This one is the 1.0.0.1 is connect 1.0.0.1 connect this IP address to this router. Now we have to move toward this one 150. This one 150 is connecting to this router by using BGP neighbor IP address 2.0.0.2. okay. Now we have to click on this router. Now this router directly connected IP addresses are 2.0.0.0. This is directly connected 2.0.0 and another directly connected in this one is another IP address directly connected to this router 192.168.150.0 and now BGP. Now another which is 192.168.100.0 is connected by this neighbor which is 2.0.0.1 and this will connect this one network ID to this router. Okay. Now another BGP which is 192.168.50.0 50.0. The 50.0 is connecting to this router from here to here by using a neighbor IP address 2.0.0.1. okay. Now we have another BGP 1.0.0.0. okay. This one network ID is connecting to the we connect this network ID to this router by using a BGP neighbor 2.0.0.1. okay. Now we have to I save a code of all these router for you people. You have to consult it when you watch this when you look into the video. So we have to consult this notepad file also for the programming of BGP protocol. okay. This is for router 12. So now we have to, and this router 13, for router 13 we are using, this is the code for router 13. Code for router 13, and for router 14 the code is okay. Now we have to hope this simple topology will help you. I think there is nothing left in this topic, so it's the end of for part first. Okay, so we have